This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the bracelet uses removable pins. Look for tiny arrows on the inside links because those arrows show the push direction. Once identified, lay the watch face down on a soft cloth and secure one link in a bracelet holder or between folded cloth. Now position a 0. 8-1. 0 mm pin pusher on the pin head, align it with the arrow, and tap gently with a small hammer, short, controlled strikes, to start moving the pin out. Make sure you keep steady. Once the pin head moves, stop tapping and inspect how much has come out. You want a few millimeters protruding so you can grab it. You continue by holding the bracelet firmly in the holder to avoid flexing, because bending wastes effort and risks misalignment. Use small needle nose pliers or a pin extractor to pull the pin the rest of the way, and if a collar slides out, keep it with its matching pin. Then separate the link. Repeat for each link to reach the desired length. To finish, bring the two bracelet ends together, align the link holes precisely, and insert the stored pin from the opposite side of the arrow. This seats the tapered end first. Once started, use the holder and short, controlled taps to drive the pin until it sits flush. Make sure there's no lateral play and that links articulate smoothly. If a pin is stubborn, try a quick freeze to contract metal or a tiny drop of penetrating oil, then reattempt. And always test the clasp before wearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.